If you are here for some funny content, then I want to request you please leave this video. This video is the reply to Veerdas in his way.
The temptation in this moment is about to make a roast video about you, Veerdas, and we will, because we want to throw light on our bright side.
We live in which India? We live in that India where child like you, Veerdas, bring out nasty facts about the country. And yet we live in that India where leader like Swami Vivekananda took birth and made whole India proud at World Religion Conference in Chicago.
IQ of a person like you is zero, but still have courage to represent India and talk nothing but bullshit.
We live in that India where people like Veerdas worship women during the day, but rest 138 crore Indians worship Bharat Mata each and every second.
We live in that India where we claim to be divided over different religion on Twitter and yet are united by a single word, Indian.
We live in that India where we complement our beliefs, and yet we are the first country from Asia to reach Martian orbit.
We live in that India where restriction on speech is supposedly dead, as some fancy people talking shit for their own benefits and is still moving freely without handcuffs.
We live in that India where few people distinguish between orange and green, but still bounded by the spirit of tricolor.
We live in that India where we celebrate our victories so loudly that you can hear us through border boundaries.
And yet we live in that India where we can break down the walls of a comedy club if comedians like Veerdas and Kunal Kamra are present there.
We live in that India where not only the leaders but our parents also blessed us with the glorifying stories of our history.
We live in that India that has the largest working population, but still about 7 lakh of them are wasting their time.
We live in that India where every time we get information about surgical strike on Pakistan, but still waiting for the surgical strike on anti-nationals.
We live in that India where we kicked out the British, but still some are remaining.
We live in that India where those people are talking about India who even got their primary education from abroad.
We live in that India where our music is बहुत hard, but our veer is so coward.
We live in that India where people residing outside the country talk shit about country.
We live in that India where we take pride in being Indian and yet not run over the ambitions of country.
We live in that India where we fully support freedom of speech until it comes to heritage of our country.
We live in that India where Indian armed forces are always on time, no matter what the circumstances are.
We live in that India where big MNCs from all over the world wants to establish their business due to vast opportunities.
We live in that India that serves yoga to the world.
We live in that India that preserves most diverse culture in the world.
We live in that India that don't beat about the bush and can shut the mouth of fancy people.
We live in that India that speak up and call a spade a spade.
We live in India that is going to watch this and say we are proud to be Indian.
And yet, we live in that India which will see this video and still defend Veerdas. Isn't it funny?
We live in that India where a 23-year-old boy Bhagat Singh and an infant-carrying woman Rani Lakshmi Bai had more courage than whole British army.
We live in that India that comprises Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christians, Parsis, Jews, and still when we look together in the sky, we see only one thing together, spirit of brotherhood.
Now we leave your screen and go back to our normal lives.
We wanted to do this because we are the voice of India.
This is not the first time Veerdas has fallen in such type of controversy.
It is not acceptable that any person cut jokes on the sentiments of the people of India.
If you are not doing anything for our country, then at least don't talk rubbish about our country on international stage.
Now we conclude our video and you decide, is Veerdas actually Veer or not?
We don't think so. Do you?
Jai Hind.
Namaste.